Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be discussing Turo. We just started a new business. My name is Mo, and I'm here with my wife, Tiara.
Hello, hello.
All right, so y'all stay tuned. I think y'all gonna like what we got for y'all in this video. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So in today's video, we will be discussing Turo. This is our first business. I have my wife here with me.
Yes, not our first business.
Right.
The first time trying Turo.
Right. This is our first time trying Turo. Okay.
So we actually needed a large transportation vehicle and decided for one of our other businesses.
Correct.
And so that's kind of how we got into it, because we decided why not use the vehicle for what we needed for our other business, a nonprofit business,
right?
For transportation purposes. And then while we're not using it for that business, let's make some money off of it.
Absolutely, right? Correct. And so far, so good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
it's doing really good.
So right now we've had a total of 2 bookings.
Yeah, 2 bookings, and listed it less than a week ago.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we listed it less than a week ago. Let's go back to how we purchased the van.
Yeah.
So let's talk about our expenses, okay? Because I know a lot of people want to know about expenses. And so we were looking for a van, couldn't find a van nowhere at the price that we were looking for. And so we were able to purchase this van, and we put $1,000 down. Yeah. And so that was pretty much our startup cost, correct?
Yeah. Startup cost of $1,000, and this is a passenger van, not a minivan, but a passenger van, so that you can transfer people comfortably.
Right, 10 passengers.
Yeah.
Okay, that's including the driver.
Yeah.
All right. Now, here are some of the things you may want to consider when purchasing your van. Okay, so we couldn't find a van anywhere, and once we found a van and we put the $1,000 down, that was our only startup cost, correct?
Yeah, and in addition to that, I mean, Turo is going to be low operating costs all around. So even if you have a vehicle that you drive here and there, but you don't drive it all the time, it's going to be a great way for you to make some extra money to pay off that car note faster. Right. But also, only thing you have to worry about is making sure the car is clean before the renter gets it, making sure it's gas in it. And those things, can be taken out of the rental fee. In addition to that, insurance.
Correct.
So Turo has a great option where you have traveler's insurance, different packages you can choose from that give you full coverage. So you may be able to get minimum coverage on your car when you're not driving it, but it's covered under Turo when there's other people driving it. So that's something to think about too.
Absolutely. And we have, as of now, we've had two bookings, and so that's pretty good. And we've been able to knock out pretty much our payment, our car payment, monthly payment for this month already, just this week alone. Yeah. So I know sometimes people always think about the expenses, but think about the money that you can make.
Yeah, it's a great investment. It's worth the investment, because once you have actually paid off the vehicle, it's still going to be able to make money for you. Yeah. And then the other thing is, when you think about damages or incidentals, you want to still put some things aside, maybe a small percentage of the rental fee aside for any incidentals, or just getting your car detailed, getting the tires changed whenever that's needed.
Also, if you're doing a business like Turo, you want to make sure that you separate the funds. You do not want to commingle funds, because you want to know exactly what your business is bringing in.
Yes, very true. You also want to be able to see how much money you're spending in terms of keeping your vehicle up to par, keeping the maintenance up, and then what that profit looks like.
Absolutely.
So you see if it's worth it.
Yeah. And like I said, so far it's been worth it for us. So what does commingling mean? So commingling just simply means that if you're, let's say you're working a 9 to 5, you got money coming in from your job, and then you have Turo, and you using that money and the money from Turo, and you just putting them together. Again, just have a separate bank account, and that way you will know exactly what you're making. Okay.
One other thing I don't think we touched on too is that if you do have a transportation type vehicle with 8 or more passengers like what we have, you may want to think about offering the option of a driver. So we, in our Turo listing, of course, you are not able to do that through Turo, but in our Turo listing, we do let them know to reach out to us separately if they are looking to get a driver for that particular rental. So that's also an additional form of income you can make off the driver, which, you know, is a plus, especially here in the city, right?
Yeah, we are here in Atlanta, and so the average is like $120 an hour, and you can pay your driver $20 an hour, and you make $100 an hour, and so that's a great lucrative income as well. And so, you know, hey, if you're looking to dive into this game or dive into the Turo business, I think it's a great side hustle for you to be able to build capital and just make some money. So Turo seems to be a great side hustle so far. So if you're looking for an additional income to make a little additional money, I'm not saying you're gonna get rich off Turo, but you may be able to make a decent passive income where you'll be able to go out and stack up some capital and go out and invest in real estate, because you guys already know we do Airbnb as well, and you know that's a great hustle as well, you know.
Yeah, I think Airbnb has been, I mean, it's proven to me to be an effective way to kind of do something with your home if you don't want to necessarily attend to tenants, but you want to keep some steady cash flow coming in. And I think from what we've seen with our income statement and stuff, that we definitely have been able to knock out some of that upfront cost that you had to do with all the renovations in the house.
Yeah, so absolutely.
That was pretty cool to see.
Yeah, that's real. That's real. Because there was a lot of renovation. Yeah, we have put a lot of money into that. But this is something like, you know, a car is something like a vehicle. Yeah, it's low startup. Yeah. So, you know, hey, if you want to get started, people say, hey, what can I start, Mo? Well, this is where you could possibly start and build up a nest egg so you can go out and allow this money to work for itself and make more money. Okay. Yeah. So you just want to make the money grow. Now, don't go out and just go buy, you know, a Lambo because you start making a little change. Put that money somewhere else where it can grow and make money. Okay. Yeah. That's going to do it for today's video. We will keep you updated and keep you posted on Turo business and letting you know, how many bookings we have. We'll keep you posted. And if y'all guys got any questions for us, just drop it. Just drop it below. You already know what to do. Drop it below. Let us know. Let us know. We want to talk about it. All right. So we're going to end it with that. Shout out to my wife, Tierra, for coming on. Thank you. First time on the YouTube. I'm not a camera person, but I'm enjoying it. Y'all might see me again. She here, y'all. She here. Yep. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. We see you guys in the next video. Peace out.